Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're just doing a different video apart from Nifty and Banknifty. We're just going to see how the US market is reacting nowadays and what is the outlook for Dow Jones. As of now, they have again dipped today about 462 points. And this analysis, what we do, it's only based on charts. We are not taking into consideration of any of the economic factors or the fundamentals. This is only chart based analysis. Okay. So this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index chart. I've gone for the weekly chart, and if you can see this pattern, let me just draw it. It is something like an inverted cup and handle or a rounding top. Either way, this is a very bearish chart pattern. See, Dow Jones has some support over here, that is around this yellow line that I've marked. Let me get rid of this. This yellow, what's highlighted in yellow, at about 29,630, we have almost come there today. So this is a good support. If there's any chance of a bounce, it can be from here, or this gap fill is also there between 28,500 and 28,929. So there's a chance maybe it can even fill this gap and get a small bounce. But if these levels break, right, then this type of a rounding top or an inverted cup and handle chart pattern will work. Probably what will happen is a down move, probably a retest to this level, and if this chart pattern holds good, we could see a further bigger crash coming, probably until 26,300 or 22,000. Now, how did I get those targets on the downside? Now, what is this hidden inverted cup and handle is? See, it's nothing but it's in the shape of this cup and handle, right? Now they refer this as the handle. Now, how do you find the target for this? The best way to do is take this high, and this will be the neckline, right? And place it where the breakdown is happening. Usually we can place it here. To be more safer, we can even place it here, and take this divided by 2 and closest price action support as the first target. So in this chart, if we consider here until another 7,200, you place that here and that divided by 2, and there is some good price action support. Always price act more than target. The price action is paramount. Sorry, there's some support here, so this would be a target. The first, if this level breaks, right, and if this gap doesn't hold, the first target on the downside is 26,357 is possible. And even if that breaks, right now we are at this COVID top over here. This is where, before this COVID fall, this is where we were, around 29,400. Now a drop until 22,000 may not be possible. That's too much, but we'll never know. This is what the chart is indicating. So just wanted to show this, how this cup and handle, and this is on a weekly time frame. So it's not going to, this fall of 3,000 or 4,000 points is not going to happen in a day or two. Probably it will take a couple of weeks or even a month or couple of months, not sure. But as of now, what this chart pattern is indicating is we could be heading for a bigger fall. If there's one level of bounce, I was expecting some kind of a bounce from here. If that doesn't happen, the next level is 28,500. If no bounce from here, we could be straight away going down in a couple of months. So this is just one small analysis. Now if this down move happens, right, then even our Nifty and Banknifty in the Indian markets can be in a big trouble. Now this is the Banknifty weekly chart, where we have kind of made this double top and we are dipping. And see, this today, Friday, today is the 23rd Friday, and this is kind of a evening star that is formed. More details on this I'll obviously make the Nifty and Banknifty analysis video, but just showing that if the US market doesn't sustain these levels, even our markets could slip further pretty easily. And more detailed analysis on Nifty, Banknifty, I'll be making a regular video. This was just to cover this Dow Jones chart, an interesting chart pattern that is formed, and this is even clearly seen even on the daily chart. I just took weekly so that it will be easier to present. but as of now it's dangerously looking bearish. Let's see if all the supports break and we go down, or are we going to get a bounce from here. So that's it. This is just a small video on the Dow Jones, and stay tuned for the Nifty and the Banknifty chart.